I share how I make my tomato pepper mix. I use this mix to prepare my smoky Nigerian jollof rice, tomato stews, and sauces. Welcome back, lovely family. For this, I'll be using tomatoes, red long peppers, red bell peppers, onion, you can use the red one if you prefer, Scotch bonnet pepper, red chilli pepper. I'm also adding a handful of fresh thyme, rosemary and parsley leaves, spring onion, green bell pepper, ginger and garlic. Feel free to use what you prefer, but don't miss the ginger and garlic. I went ahead to wash everything with vinegar. You can also use salt. Then I deseeded the peppers, except the Scotch bonnet pepper, of course. I proceeded to blend everything together. I did not add water to the blend. The main idea is to use 1 portion of tomatoes to 2 portions of peppers. If using smaller quantity, you can add directly to whatever you are making. For instance, your jollof rice. No need to cook down ahead. Caution, this mix just splashes a lot, so please be careful. I will share other methods of making this mix later on this channel. Allow this mix to cool down completely and portion in Ziploc bags or freezer-safe containers. Store in freezer for as long as 6 months with constant electric supply. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.